Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm introducing the one-sheet annual budget planner and showing you exactly how it works. This planner comes in 4 visual versions: pastel, ocean, nature, and dark. And each theme has the same features, so you can simply choose the style you enjoy most while keeping the same functionality. This tool is designed to help you manage your entire financial year on a single page, without dealing with complex or overwhelming spreadsheets. When you first open it, you personalize it by choosing your starting month, typing in the year manually, and entering your own currency symbol. You're not required to begin in January, and because the dates are flexible, you can reuse the planner year after year as a long-term budgeting system. Next, you define your structure by adding up to 6 income sources and up to 24 expense categories based on your lifestyle. Once you enter these once, they automatically appear as drop-down menus throughout the planner, making monthly tracking faster, cleaner, and consistent without needing to retype anything. All 12 months are displayed side by side, giving you a clear yearly overview at a glance. Each month includes an income log and an expense log where you simply enter the date, select a category, and type the amount. You can record up to 6 income entries and up to 78 expense entries per month, offering enough detail for real tracking while still staying easy to maintain. As you enter your data, each month automatically builds a visual summary. A donut-style chart shows your left-to-spend amount, with the remaining budget written in the center, and just below it you'll see total income and total expenses calculated instantly, so you always know your position without doing any manual math. On the left side, the annual dashboard gives you a complete financial overview. It calculates your total yearly income, total expenses, and the overall difference, while also generating visual charts that compare income versus expenses, show how each income source contributes to your total, break down spending by category, and display month-by-month income and expense trends across the entire year. An annual overview table is also created automatically, listing each month with its income, expenses, and difference for quick reference. Everything updates dynamically as you use the planner, turning simple entries into meaningful insights. There's also a built-in visual warning system. If expenses exceed income, the values turn red, helping you immediately spot overspending and make adjustments before it becomes a larger issue. This planner is all about clarity, flexibility, and efficiency, giving you a clean, visual understanding of your finances without unnecessary complexity. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the product link in the description below, and if you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more planning tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.